Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the online class of Mathematics grade 4. This is the chapter number 11 and today the topic is line graphs. Today we are going to work on book 4, page 240 to 246. So just take out the book 4 and open the page 240. Okay. Now listen to me, come to this page. This is the line graph. Look at over here. This one is line graph. Previous you have done the bar graph or table. And this is the line graph. How you will read this graph, we will learn in this chapter or in this topic. Now listen to me carefully. Just read the first question over here. Look at over here. They have given you a table. In this table, they have given you a month and number of books sold. In January, how many books sold? 92,000, February 80,000, March 55,000, April 53,000. Now listen to me. Look at over here. What he's saying, you can use line graph to show the number of books sold from January to April. The same question you have done in previous lecture in bar graphs or in tables. But here, we can also use this information in line graph. But how? Now listen to me carefully. This is the line graph. This is the vertical side and this one is horizontal side. In vertical side, he has taken the number of books sold, and in horizontal side, he has taken the months, names of months. Is it clear? So listen to me. He has taken difference of 10,000, starting from 0, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. And here he has taken the months, January, February, March and April. Now listen to me. How did we can learn information? How can we learn information in line graph? Now listen to me carefully. Here, first of all, use the first information, that is in January how many books sold? 92,000. Okay, this one is January 92,000. This one is 90. Again, difference between 90 and 1 lakh is 10,000. So 91,000, 92,000. A small line has been drawn over here. You can see in the book. In the second line after 90,000, it is 92,000. So just put a small dot over here. Again, in February he sold 80,000. Where does 80,000? It's over here. Use like this. 80. This one 80, and it's over in this side February. Okay, draw the small point over here. Is it clear? Is it over here? 80 and small point over here. It's parallel to February. Okay. Now March 55,000. Okay, this one is 50, 51, 52, 54, 55. Draw point parallel to March. Again, April. In April, he sold 53,000 books. So come to 51, 52, 53. Again, you put a dot over here. When you completed the dots, when you draw the dots over here, just draw the lines using these dots. Now listen to me. Start from over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Like this, you can complete the line graph. Is it clear? Now come to the next page. This one over here. Page 241. How did the sale of books changes from January to April? Now again, he has taken number of books in vertical side and here the horizontal side. This is the same question over here. Okay? Same question, same line graph, but what's the question is saying? Listen to me carefully here, this side. A line graph shows the pattern of information over time. From the line graph, we can tell the sale of books decreased from January to April. How? What does the meaning of decreasing? It goes down. Okay? So listen to me. In January, it's 92,000. In February it becomes 80,000. In March it becomes 55,000. In April it becomes 53,000. In tables you can say that okay, it decreases from January to April. But in line graph, look at over here, it starts from this side, comes to this and this side. This line goes down like this. It means it decreases, okay, from January to April. Now come to the next page, page 242. This one, what the person is saying? The line graph shows the prices of movie tickets in different years. Okay. Now again they have taken price in vertical side and the years in horizontal side. Is it clear? Again they have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In 1944, look at over here, 0 to 1. The first one is where the dot, where did they put the dot over here? In 1944, it's between 0 and 1. It's between 0 and 1. It means this one is 0.5, okay, or half. Again, in 1974, it's between 2 and 3. What does it mean? It is between 2 and 3. It is 2.5 or 2.5. Is it clear? Again, 2004. Where does you can see the point over here? It is 5. Again, 2014, like this, 14. Where does the point goes? It is 8. Okay. Now listen to me. Comes to the person. You have read the line graph. Now come to the person. What's the person number 1 saying? What was the price of a movie ticket in 1974? You can say, okay, this one is 1974. This and this is here. This is 2.5. Like this, 2.5 or 2.5. 2.5 or 2.5. Is it clear? Now come to the next question, part B. In which year was the price of a movie ticket the most expensive? Mean where does it goes highest? Where does it go high? Where? In this point. But it goes in which year? This one, 2014. Now the last question, what is the difference between the prices of a movie ticket in 1944 and 2004? It's mean in 1944 and 2004. 14, sorry. 1944 it is 0.5 and in 2004 it is 5. So how can you find the difference? You can do like this, 5 minus 0.5 is equal to 4.5. Is it clear? Now come to the next question, to page 243. Listen, what the person is saying, the line graph shows the change in the temperature of a glass of water left in a freezer over a period of time. Here, look at over here. In vertical side, he has taken the temperature, and in horizontal side, he has taken the time. First of all, read the line graph. If you will read the line graph carefully, it will be easy for you to do the questions. Is it clear? Excuse me. Okay. Now listen to me. Here the temperature 0, 10, 20 and 30. And here the time 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. First of all, the person is saying complete the table. Time. First of all, you write the time over here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Again the temperature. In 0 degree. In 0 minutes, what's the temperature over here? 30 degrees. Again, in 10 minutes, this is 20 degrees. In 20 minutes, it is 10 degrees. In 30 minutes, it is 5 degrees. And in 14 minutes, it is 0 degrees. Is it clear? You can look at over here. In 0 minutes, it is 30 degrees. In 10 minutes, it is 20 degrees. In 20 minutes, it is 10 degrees. In 30 minutes, it is 5 degrees. Look at over here. In 40 minutes, it is 0 degrees. Is it clear? When you will complete this table, first of all, read the graph and you will complete the table. Now, first of all, the first question. Part B, what was the temperature of the water in the glass at the beginning? This is the temperature of the glass, water in the glass at the beginning. What at the beginning in 0 minutes, it is 30 degrees. So what you will write in part B, 30 degrees. Now come to the part C. How much did the temperature drop after the glass was left in the freezer for 20 minutes? When the glass left in the freezer for 20 minutes, what the temperature at that time? Look at over here. This is 20 and this is. What does it become? It becomes 10 degrees. Now part D. What you should notice about the temperature of the water after the glass had been left in the freezer for more than 40 minutes? Now, what did you notice over here? When the glass left in the freezer for more than 40 minutes, what does it become? Look at over here, 40, 50, 60. What does it become? It becomes 0 degree. And 0 degree, you know what does it mean? 0 degree is the freezing point. Is it clear? So, what you will notice here, it becomes 0 degree. Okay. Now, question number 5 in page 244. Here. The line graph shows the amount of rainfall from August to December in 2012. First of all, read the line graph. Now, listen to me carefully. First of all, read the line graph over here. In vertical side, he has taken the rainfall, and in horizontal side, he has taken the number of names of months. So, first of all, read the line graph. In August, how many rainfall noticed? In August, look at over here. August, it is 16. September, it is 10, 12, 14. Okay, this becomes 10. October is also 16. In November, it's 30th, and in December, it's 34. Now listen to me. Come to the question part A. The greatest amount of rainfall was recorded in which month? You can see over here this one. In which month? It is December. The least amount of rainfall was recorded in dash. In which month there is a least amount of rainfall recorded? That one is September. Part C. The amount of rainfall recorded was the same in dash month. In which month? This one and this one. Same. That is 16. In which month? August and October. Now part D. There was a decrease in the amount of rainfall from dash to dash. Listen to me. From this side, from October, it goes up. But in which month it goes decreases? From August to September. August to September. Now the last question. From September to December, there was an increase or decrease in the amount of rainfall. From September to December. Now listen to me. This one is September. From September to December it goes up, so it increases. You will circle increases. Now come to the last next page, page 245. This is the table they have given it for you, and this is the line graph. They have just pointed out the line graph. You just have to draw the lines over here, complete the line graph like this. This is the time over here, and this is the number of books sold. At 2 p.m. how many books sold? 30. What you will do, draw the pointed lines over here and like this. Okay, like this. Complete this table, and in page 246 there is activity. You have to do it in your home. Try to do it by yourself, and this one is your homework, page book 4, page 247 to 255. This one is very easy, so try to do it by yourself. And if you have any problem, any queries, then please ask me. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.